Hello, 朋友们，大家好。
Hello friends, everyone. Today, through this video, I'd like to introduce to you the best-selling four-wheel drive off-road pickup RV in China that has been popular for over 20 years. They are the two vehicles right behind me. Both of them are based on the Livezone Poer pickup chassis, modified into four-wheel drive off-road camper RVs. Before I introduce the products, let me first introduce myself. I'm Liu Jiao, but you can just call me Lao Leo. I've been working in RV sales in China for nearly 20 years. First, I want to tell you a little about where we are from. Our city is Baoding in Hebei province. It is about 130 kilometers south of Beijing, which means we're very close to the capital city of China. Speaking of Baoding, there's a very famous company here, Great Wall Motor. Great Wall is one of the most well-known manufacturers of off-road vehicles. Its pickup trucks and SUVs have been leading domestic sales for nearly 2 decades. Our RV products are built on Great Wall pickup truck chassis, modified into camper models. Now, let me tell you about our company. Our company, Livezone RV, was founded in 1999 in Hebei. In the beginning, we were a wholly owned subsidiary of Great Wall Motor. In 2015, we became independent, and since then our official name has been Livezone RV. That's a quick overview of who we are. Next, I'll introduce you China's best-selling pickup camper, the two models right behind me. Both are built on dedicated RV chassis from Great Wall Motor. So, what is a dedicated chassis? From the outside, they may look like ordinary pickup trucks, but the chassis we use is specially developed by Great Wall for motorhome conversions. This makes them stronger, safer, and more capable for RV use. Both models share the same dedicated RV chassis, but the layouts are different. All of our current Great Wall models are built on these dedicated RV chassis, exclusively for Livezone RV conversions. Let me first share some basic specifications about this vehicle. These two cars have two types of powertrain. There's a diesel version and a gasoline version. The latest version of diesel model is powered by a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is 5.97 meters long, 2.88 meters high, and 2.14 meters wide. Depending on the layout, it can carry 4 to 6 passengers. The approach angle is 27 degrees, the departure angle is 17 degrees, and the tires are 265 millimeters wide road tires. Of course, customers can replace them with all-terrain tires later to further improve off-road traction and performance. Nitrogen shock absorbers can also be installed. This RV uses a single-row cab, which allows us the advantage of more space for the living area in the back. The body is made out of fiberglass sandwich panels, therefore providing excellent insulation. Now, this is where the two vehicles differ a little bit. This one uses a rear entry door design. In the back, there's a full-size spare tire mounted, backpack style. It also has a towing capacity of 2.5 tons, worth mentioning, with a 13-pin trailer connector. The profile of the car is quite elegant. It has to be said that this is an adequate amount of wheelbase. It is 3.47 meters, which offers a good balance of weight distribution and a flexible turning radius. As mentioned earlier, this model is China's best-selling four-wheel drive pickup RV. It features a 9-speed automatic transmission and comes standard with an electronically controlled rear differential lock, giving it excellent off-road capability. Now let's turn our focus to the driver's cockpit. Let's step inside and take a look at the interior of the cab. The Great Wall Power pickup is already well known in China, and after converting it into an RV, the configuration is also rich compared to its peers. It comes with paddle shifters that can be used with a manual mode, which is very useful when driving uphill, downhill, or in heavy traffic. Experienced drivers can choose the appropriate gear manually that best fit the current road condition. This improves both handling and safety. The cab has two floating display screens, a black and brown color scheme that looks classy, and a streaming rear-view mirror for clear visibility. The multifunction steering wheel supports voice control, Bluetooth calls, and other functions linked to the screens. In the center console, you'll find USB ports, a Type-C socket, a 12-volt outlet, and of course, push-button start is standard. The transmission is a 9-speed automatic with reverse, neutral, drive, and manual gears. As mentioned, manual gear works with the paddle shifters for flexible control. The RV also comes standard with low-speed 4-wheel drive and an electronically controlled rear axle lock. So when our users encounter difficult terrains like mud, snow, sand, and repeated steep slopes, they can tackle the challenge with a combination of high and low-range gears and rear differential lock with ease. Many of our users often comment that across the vast land of 9.6 million square kilometers of China, this RV adapts well to almost any road condition, and the handling is predictable and responsive. Even the seats are well equipped. The driver's seat is a 6-way electrically adjustable leather seat. The seats have heating and ventilation. Both the driver and passenger seats have these functions, ensuring comfort in all seasons. Among all types of RVs, pickup campers generally offer the smoothest handling, lowest noise, vibration, and just generally more refined. These RVs offer the most comfortable seating position for prolonged driving sessions. In China, pickup truck RV fans are more often than not off-roading enthusiasts as well. They are especially popular among outdoor enthusiasts who love off-road adventures and camping. On the exterior, an electrical compartment is neatly arranged with fuses and switches. And multiple charging methods are provided for domestic Chinese market. We provide both DC fast charging and AC charging with Chinese spec GBT standard plugs. Additionally, the roof has solar panels, and the alternator can charge the lithium batteries while driving as well. This means the RV supports 4 charging methods in total, ensuring convenience anywhere. Now, this is the other vehicle's layout. This model uses a central entry door design. It comes with an external fold-out table and a 3-meter awning, available in manual or electric versions as an optional extra. electric entry step, a door sunshade, and a garbage can are also included. Inside, this layout uses a white interior with walnut and black color-schemed furniture for a modern, home-like feel. This vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers. It has 4 main functional areas. I am now standing in the kitchen. The kitchen is very spacious for a pickup camper among the Chinese RVs, with overhead cabinets, a microwave hanging from the bottom of it, an induction cooker, which is flush-mounted. All of these are designed to preserve precious counter space in a camper. A range hood with LEDs and fan speed adjustment. A sink. 2 side windows are also provided. Underneath the countertop, there are large drawers which can fit all your kitchen utensils. And a 150-liter double-door refrigerator is also standard, with separate freezer as well. The bathroom is right across the kitchen. It is fully equipped with a shower with hot and cold water, shower curtains, ventilation fan, skylight, a premium finished faucet, and sink for your morning routines. A double floor drain design. In case of unlevel camping ground, water can be drained away from the shower from all directions. A fixed Thetford toilet is provided, and a warm air outlet to stay comfortable in winter. A central skylight is an optional equipment, which is good for ventilation and natural lighting. The living room features opposing seats, with a lowerable table that can move in 6 directions, and it includes cup holders. Of course, with the table dropped, this section can be converted into a single bed with a provided cushion, which can also sleep a shorter adult. A central control panel manages the lighting, water pump, air conditioning, inverter, and more. Power, water level, diesel heater are also integrated into this panel. While a set of physical backup mechanical switches are present in case of malfunctioning, ensuring reliability. The curb weight is 3,040 kilograms, with a gross vehicle weight of 3.45 tons. So overall, this car is deeply loved by Chinese consumers because of its manageable size and weight, and also its strong off-road performance. And there are 3 floor plans in total to choose from. So that's all about our Great Wall Power 4-wheel drive off-road RV.